Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Everyone loves crispy chicken. Today we are going to make quick crispy chicken fry recipe. We just need 15 minutes to make this crispy chicken fry recipe. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 500 grams of chicken with bones. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt, a pinch of red food color. Add 1 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon besan flour. Mix all together. Marinate for at least 1 hour. After the marination, in a pan take 4 tablespoon oil and heat it. Deep fry the chicken pieces on high heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Then change it to medium flame and fry for 6 to 7 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now the chicken has fried well. We can switch off the flame. Our quick crispy chicken fry is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.